If a is equal to 2x plus 5 divided by 1 minus x, and x is equal to 5 minus 2y divided by 3y, we are asked to express y in this form. And how can we do that? So it means that if a is this, we don't want to see x in it. So wherever we have x, that should be replaced by 5 minus 2y divided by 3y. So a is equal to 2, but what is x? X is the whole of 5 minus 2y divided by 3y, right? Then plus 5, don't forget, the whole of this divided by 1 minus x, but x is 5 plus 2y divided by 3y, something like this. So this is what you need to simplify to get your final answer. Let me expand this. This is going to give us 10 minus 4y to the top divided by 3y. This is the expansion of this one, plus 5. But this 5, I want to write it as a term with a denominator of 3y. So I multiply the top and the bottom by 3y. You know, 5 is the same thing as 5 divided by 1. Multiply the top and the bottom by 3y. So this is going to give us 15y divided by 3y. Divide by, I want to do the same thing here. This is 3y divided by 3y minus 5 plus 2y divided by 3y. So this is E. Let's continue here. You can add, since you have the same denominator. So this one plus this one, this is going to give us plus 11. So this is 10 plus 11y, right? Divide by 3y. The whole of this divide by. You know, minus will change everything here to minus. So 3y minus 2y is just y, and minus 5, because everything will become negative, divided by 3y. So you can see we have what do we call it? We have a common factor. We have something to divide this and this. So this becomes 10 plus 11y divided by what? Y minus 5, something like this. But have I missed anything? Let me check, please. Sorry. I have the solution here. I want to... Oh, I made a mistake. This is supposed to be negative. Look at it here. This is negative. Sorry. This is negative. So if it is negative, that will be what? 3y minus. So this becomes plus 5. Plus 5y, but minus. So we have 5 here. So that is the mistake I've made. So this is equal to 10 plus 11y divided by common factor is 5y minus 1. Is it the same thing? Yeah. Y minus 1 is here. M is 10, N is 11, then Y. So this is your E.